Hello everyone, my name is the Coolboys21 and I'm just making this video because we're having some heavy rain right now. Holy shit. Just a second ago it was hailing really heavy. Look at the sky. Oh, it's hailing again. Oh shit. Oh my god. Holy crap. It was hailing a second ago on the street. But Jesus, the garbage bins are tipped over. Look at their driveway. Hold on, I'm trying to get a clear shot, but yeah. Oh, and this is my room. What the hell did I just... Got a rock. Yeah, but man, like, holy crap. Look at the... Here, I'll show you the big tree. The big tree is what rock... I'm not sure how my YouTube is still running. But yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you want more, make sure to like, subscribe if you're new. I get like around 66 sometimes, maybe even 40 views. So let's try and make at least 10 of those subscribers ours. And also, I have my own PlayStation 4 community, and that will be left in the description down below. Not a link, just the name of it. So, yeah. It's a heck of a storm out there. It's foggy as shit. It's raining like we're in Antarctica and we're having a tsunami or something. Anyway, thank you for watching and goodbye.